This is Cube Crusaders. I've been working on this for about 4 years. It is a side-scrolling Metroidvania, has a fully featured campaign, a customization system inspired by Halo, as well as a horde mode, which I'm demoing here today. So it's a set arena. After each wave, the enemies get more powerful, more numerous. You can unlock weapons, upgrades, flamethrowers, explosives, etc. You can wishlist it on Steam. It's the best possible way to support the project. This is Unreal Engine 4. Yeah, yeah.
Interesting.
I like to keep it a little bit older. I like the legacy engine.